In a very shocking turn of events, we just bought a house. Oh, wow. We just got home from a big shopping trip, stopped at our favorite place, well, my favorite place and Lily's favorite place, the Disney store. And I had seen this super cute tea set. It's a Beauty and the Beast tea set. I remember seeing it in Toronto a long time ago, but I didn't really know it was like an actual toy. And we bought it today for $26.
Look at the wheels.
Daddy, look.
I'm outside hanging out with Ted right now, and I'm about to try and do my first DIY. I bought this from Value Village. Let's see what we can make it look like. I'm also gonna spray paint this one. I know some people are gonna come at me if you like purple, like my mom, but I wanna give it a different look. Work it, girl. Do your thing on the runway. Okay. Today is possession day of our new house. I cannot wait. It is so exciting. I'm so relieved to finally be able to feel like we're actually settled and like we have a place that is our own, that we can make our own. I'm so excited. Okay, are you excited about the rug? It's right in there. I'm gonna open it up. You're gonna push it? Good job. Is that your blanket? So nice. Do you like?
Has like a ratchet.
Where'd you get the Amazon?
Okay. So.
I'm not prepared.
Neither am I.